Let's see if I can finish a full beat before my baby wakes up from her nap. We're doing some family photos tonight, so I really need this makeup to photograph well and also last. We really need to do more photos because Quinn just turned 11 months. I'm very emotional about that, but we haven't taken family photos since she was literally 2 months, so we are long overdue for these. Life is just happening really, really fast. Honestly, I cannot think about it too much or I'll get really sad. I just don't really know how it's possible that I already have an almost 1-year-old. You guys know me and my sister ended up having our babies exactly 1 week apart. They're both girls, so we combined their birthday parties and we've been planning it. I cannot wait to show you guys. It's gonna be so cute. I'm definitely preparing myself just to cry the entire party. Nude Sticks blush is next level. I used to use this all the time. It's Sunkissed. Mental health update. I have actually been feeling pretty good anxiety wise. I feel like I just go through these funks sometimes where I just feel like life is just lifing and it's so hard. Honestly, if there's any of you guys who experience the same thing, what do you do to get out of it? I know, guys, you don't need to do as much blush as I'm about to do. That I go a little crazy with the blush, but it's just my favorite thing. Just adding a little bit of Rare Beauty Bliss. It's just more pinky. It's also matte, so I know it's gonna photograph well. Whenever I'm having photos taken, I always make the face round more on the matte side. I'm just setting the under eyes with my one size translucent powder. For the rest of the face, I'm just gonna use the Hourglass one and I'm just gonna tap this. We need heavy duty. Back when I took makeup clients, this was my all-time favorite liquid highlighter. This is Iconic London. Add this to the bridge of the nose. Basically just want to fake that my skin is glowing in certain spots, not my whole face. That just doesn't photograph as well. Anyway, back to the funk. Like, I know everything is really great right now. It just feels like I have no reason to be in this funk, and that makes it even more frustrating because they just come on randomly and I don't know why. But I know it will pass and I really just have to ride the wave until it does. Moving on, are there any specific videos, content that you guys want to see more of? Love hearing from you guys. So if there's anything in particular that you want to see more of, please let me know. I'm genuinely obsessed with skincare right now. So if you guys are interested in more skincare stuff, I can definitely do that. Okay, we just hit the 25-minute mark and honestly, I'm impressed with myself, but we need to wrap this up. I just checked and Quinn is tossing and turning. Using Iconic Nude from Charlotte and Candy Glaze from YSL. Alright guys, here is the final look. Done in 30 minutes. I'm impressed. Let me know what you guys think.